Morning, friends. We've had a great couple of days here in Winston Salem. It's time for a shower. The only shower available is, believe me, I've looked everywhere, is at a truck stop about 30 miles away. I tried the Anytime Fitness. I was going to get a membership, but they don't accept travelers. So if you have an out-of-state ID, no luck. I tried. But nothing wrong with the truck stop shower situation, so I'm gonna do that. Not that you really care, but I'm gonna do that. Found a really quiet spot on the street right by this water tower. Nobody's around. Very quiet. Glorious. Not that I would ever really want to show you a bathroom, but a truck stop bathroom or shower is not bad. This is, you even have flowers in here for me. It's pretty nice. This truck stop's really nice. It's even got a movie room, a laundry center and stuff. Check it out. Full-on movie theater. They got these little pamphlets here for people on the road. Got a hymn book and some religious tracts and things. Pretty cool. You can get a massage if you want to. Play the claw game. Win an iPod.
This is Bluegrass Junction. Here's Larry Stevenson.
I decided to take it easy today. Just getting a couple things done, some video editing, before I make my way into Charlotte. I'm gonna meet some family there and go on a very unique adventure tomorrow. Oh, the Dogwood is one of the better places in all of Winston-Salem. This place is really rad. If you get a chance, check it out. Great beer here too. I've been wandering around Winston-Salem for a couple days, enjoying this town quite a bit. I've been here for way longer than what I thought, like 5 days. Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot going on here, and I actually never really considered Winston-Salem as a location to do anything, but turns out pretty rad. Parking meters still only take quarters. I like it. Behind me there's the bus station. A couple times in life I've taken a bus to travel for various reasons, and I'm glad I'm not doing that now. Thank you, Fantasy. Well, friends, I landed in Charlotte very safely. I'm hanging out here at a brewery called Resident Culture. Got some great IPAs, I hear. A new friend in Winston-Salem turned me on to this, so made this my destination. It's a nice place to stop and gather myself, regroup for the evening. It's a cool place, great beers. Stopped in and met an old family member here. We're gonna take off on an adventure tomorrow. This is gonna be a really fun day tomorrow, so I'm gonna get some rest this evening and do some hanging out. Well, I'm in the bathroom here, and right by the sink where you wash your hands, you can scrub to some certain songs that they suggest. It's very clever. I chose to sing along to Jolene. I don't know why. I guess because I love Dolly Parton. Thanks for joining me today, friends. Do not miss the next video. You're gonna love it. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you at the Charlotte Motor Speedway.